Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up on the video and like it. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I just wanted to show a quick unboxing. And this is of a Microsoft Surface Go. This is a tablet. And it's basically a Windows PC tablet. So it's running Windows 10 Pro, I believe it is. But I'll show you just really quick what comes in the box. Okay, so you can see there the way the box is advertising, and this is how the tablet is laid out. Okay. So you can see here the way the tablet looks like, the connections on the side. And then the back part here. So that's the tablet there, how it's laid out. Let me put it on the side and show really quick what comes in the box. So this is just a little manual for the Surface Go, telling you what all the buttons are, etc. And then here, okay, should be the charger. Yeah, this is the wall charger for the tablet itself. Okay, I don't think there's anything else in the box. Let me just take it out. Yeah, that's everything in the box, as you can see there. So let me know what you think. If you're interested in buying one or whatever, you can see everything that comes inside. Here's the tablet again. You kind of like see the thickness of it, the way it's laid out. Let me know what you think of the video. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Robert's Video Machine. Leave any questions or comments and I'll try to answer them as quick as I can. Thank you very much.